So here I'll be showing you guys how to remove your needle and how to add another needle, or either change the needle, or if the needle break, how to just input it in your weaving machine, your lock stitch machine. So the very first thing I'll be showing you guys is here. Every of the lock stitch machine usually come with this. This is the screwdriver that you're going to use to remove the needle, and here is called a picker. I don't know what I call it, a picker. I don't know what you call it at your side. Just drop a comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys call this. I call it a picker actually, because I used to pick thread. Alright, so here the very first thing I'll be doing is, let me take this up a little bit so that you guys can see. At this point where my hand is right here, I'm just going to lift this up, and when I lift this up, this side is going to easily open. You can see that, so that we can get a good look into our needle head, our needle holder right here. So if this side is closed, just open it. It's very simple, so that you can have an obvious look at that side. So I'll be zooming in closer so that you guys can see what the needle look like. Let me make it very okay, so that okay, so you guys can see this. Here is the needle, right? Let me remove the thread from it. You can see the thread, so I'm just going to remove the thread from it. So this machine is for sewing of a, maybe you're sewing a ready-made, a polo, or those it is used for locking and stitching. So it's going to lock and stitch. So it has two needle head. It has two needle, one for locking and one for stitching. But here I already removed one needle. I use only one needle to do inner weaving for now. So here is what I want you guys to pay attention to. If you want to like put a needle here, all you just have to do is just to put your screwdriver at this point, this particular place you can see, and just screw it. You have to be very careful. That screw is very tiny, so you must make sure you don't lose it, because most of the machine don't come with extra. They are just the single, and if you lose this, there will be nothing to like hold your needle. So here for the first one, just screw it out, and you can easily use your picker to just pick the needle out and input another one. So on this other one, so there's no needle here, so let me use this one as the example. So here, just input your screwdriver at that needle head and just screw it out. So after you screw it out, make sure you don't screw it too much. You can simply pick out the needle. You can see what I did right here. So the needle will easily come out. So putting it back, so either one, if you want to put it here or you want to put it here, just put it at the hole, just like this. Put it back inside. So here I feel like this place, this thread is holding it down, so all I'm going to just push that inside. You can see this is the particular one that is holding it down from going straight. So I'm just going to like push it inside. Okay, so I can have clear space to input the needle. So after inputting the needle, you can see, make sure the line of the needle, there's also always a line, right? Make sure the line of the needle is actually facing you, like it's facing you like this. So the simple thing I'm going to do is just to push this up. So I'm going to use this picker. I believe you guys can see what I'm doing clearly. At that needle point, I'm just going to push it up so that it will be, and I'm going to screw it back in. You can see that. So just make sure it is tight, and you can easily pass back your thread. You can see this. Easily passing the thread. See that? So that's as simple as ABC, how to thread how to put your needle inside a lock stitch. That is all on this video. If you like it, give it a thumb up, and if this is your first time on this channel, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get notified when I upload newer videos. So that's about it. Do enjoy yourself, and I will see you on my next video. Peace. So easily, before I say peace, I already said peace. So you just close this back up, input this back. So to input it back also, let's lift this up and put this inside. It's going to hold it down, so when you press your footer you can easily lift it up, and also close the side also. Pam. So this is what is going to look like. You can see you can simply weave out. On another video I'll be showing you guys how to thread this, how to thread the inside here, how to pass all the thread from start to finish, everything step by step. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you like the video, and I'll see you on my next video. Peace.